Hello, everybody. I think it must be Murphy's Law. Since yesterday I was unable to make a video, and then of course we get our long signal. So let's talk about crypto first. So with the close of the candle of the 13th and the opening of the candle of the 14th, we got our buy signal. So for the ones who are not in the long position yet, how can you play this? Or you wait till we go back down to the open of this candle, which is, let's have a look here on Bybit, it's 39,031 and a half. Or what you also can do is to jump in now, but then I would consider in that case the percentage we are above the trigger line. So currently that's about, let's say, 12%. So you position size accordingly. There's a chance we still go a bit further down, and then maybe you ladder in. Also regarding position sizing, I always go 1x long in this case, but for me, I'm fine with going down 20, 30, 40%. This is with money I can afford to lose. Of course, it's not nice to lose money. I will cry one night over it, but it's not going to change my life. So if you use money which you cannot really afford to lose, then position sizing is everything. Because okay, here we are 12% away from the trigger line, but keep in mind this is just the trigger line, so we have to close below, so it can close another 10% below, so then we are 22% down. So keep that in mind. Do as what suits you the best. So for me, I'm 1x long with my full position size. So that means if Bitcoin goes up 1%, I get an extra 1%. And since I'm using the perpetual contracts on Bybit, it pays me in Bitcoin. So the more I gain, the more Bitcoin I gain, and the more Bitcoin goes up, the more Bitcoin I have, and the more value they have. So it's a win-win in that situation. All right, so we still have this potential debt cross, and I think it will happen. Since retail is looking at this to short it, because it is the debt cross. That's something you have to short. You don't have to do anything in trading, and shorting or longing moving averages, I did back test that. It doesn't work. You're always way too late. So that will be a bearish signal we will get maybe somewhere later this week, but have a look. We had the low in already on the 19th of May, so we're almost 1 month later, and then the moving averages will tell us to go short. That's way too late. But okay, people will short it, and two things can happen. So, or the shorts will be used as liquidity to get short squeezed and then to go further up, or the market makers will play along with this, and then we push further down. We will see how that plays out, but given how the price action looks for the moment, probably it will be a short squeeze. I think there's more potential to the upside rather than to the downside. But it's trading. We have to keep all possibilities open, and the algo will tell us when to go short. Right. Let's go to the lower time frames and see what's happening there. So we entered this red box territory. So that means that the point D from this bearish shark can be anywhere in this red box. And I think the high we had over here, so 1 hour ago, that will be the final high. Now, why do I think that? Of course, you get a very nice rejection from, what was the high? 41,338. But also, if we have a look at some indicators, so my least favorite one is the RSI, but still. There we go. You made your high over here, and then the RSI is going down all the way while price is going up, so you get a bearish divergence. Another one would be the MACD. So also with the MACD, you have your high over here, and look, we're still in the red zone, so we're still going down on the MACD while price is going up. And then the final one would be the OBV, so unbalanced volume. And also here regarding the volume, you can see we have a high over here, and then it's just going down, down, down. So also here, lower highs and higher highs with price, so bearish divergence. So those are three indicators which are telling us bearish divergence. So this looks like it. And also now we're going all the way down. So on a smaller account, I'm playing this harmonic pattern. First take profit level would be the 0.382 retracement from point C to D. C to D. So, which is currently at 37,392. So in this zone somewhere is a take profit one. Doesn't have to be exactly at that point, but somewhere around. Where do we go further down from there? Oh yeah, right. The confluence with that level is that there's a daily support. If we go to the daily chart, then you can see here this this line. See, on this candle it was rejected, 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 and then we did blow all the way through. So that's a nice daily resistance which might become support. So that's a nice confluence we have over there. Now further to the downside, we have this naked point of control, which is at 35,900, let's say. So we can still go here. Take profit 2 would be again the low of C. So that would be 100% retracement. But I think that would already be very bearish. Because here we have this daily and weekly support around 34,600 to 700. And it was before support over here. We did break it. Here we did go through again. We did a back test and it was confirmed as support. We did go all the way up, back down, retested it, was bought up again, another retest. So that's already 1, 2, 3 times as support. And if we now come back again there, I think it will be game over. Then we will fall through, and then that, to me, I think that will be bearish at that moment if we can't hold this anymore. So then I think we go for the yellow line which I laid out, which would go all the way then to 20k. So let's see from here how the 37,400 region will keep up. If this fails, then I will get a bit more bearish again. Of course, yeah, there's still the point of control, and if that one fails and then the weekly and the daily here are failing, then yeah, okay. Good. So let's quickly look at the algo trading. So for Tezos, still nothing, so we're still in a short. Bitcoin we discussed, so there we had the buy signal. Ethereum, still nothing, still in a short, although price is going up. Bitcoin Cash, also still in a short, but still underwater. And then XRP also gave a buy signal together with Bitcoin. And here you can step in, for example. Let's make this one bigger. So here you can see this is the daily open from yesterday, and we're now below it. So you can take this as an entry. I didn't preset, yeah, since I didn't have the time yesterday and today to look at the charts. I didn't preset any buy orders because usually, as I mentioned in the past, I go maximum 2x long, and the 2x I get when we have a retest of the trigger line. So here price did go below the trigger line, got rejected, and usually I put my buy order here. So this is a buy, you know, with the trading account it's $1,000, and then I would put another buy order of $1,000 here at the trigger line, and then we can go up 2x. So let's have a look at the trading accounts. Sorry, wrong screen. Come on. So Bitcoin, we're $24 in profit. Then if we have a look at our total equity, we're currently at almost $1,400. So that means we're already $379 in profit, to be exactly. So that's almost 38% of profit. So that's accumulated, of course, from the past tradings. So not from the long signal we just had. Ethereum underwater, $15. XRP, so as you could just see on the chart, we're just a bit below the open of yesterday's candle. So there we are, $5 underwater. And then we have Bitcoin Cash and Tezos. So those are also underwater. If it wants to load. Come on. Okay, now I have to sign up. Oh no, okay. Okay, let's first have a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So we're now at 38. Yesterday 28. So people are still on average bearish, but it's we're getting more bullish, it seems. And then let's see, did it load now? Yeah, so Bitcoin Cash minus $84, and then Tezos minus $5.50. Okay, then traditional markets. So fear and greed for the stock market. We're still at neutral. Yesterday was 54, today 51. So if we have a look at the price action, then we have, let's make this screen bigger. Right. The S&P 500 on the daily. So we are still pushing higher and still on lower and lower volume. So I still don't think we will see any major breakout from here. Yeah. So for now, no test to the downside yet, but it will come soon. Silver got pushed down again towards the weekly support. It's still holding up. This is a quite interesting price action. It doesn't want to go up and it doesn't want to go down. So there's an interesting fight going on here, between the bulls and the bears. Maybe one day we will have an explosive breakout to the upside. Gold. Yeah, gold, they're really trying to push it down now. Because if gold go up, it means people are in fear. And I can imagine that the powers that be, that they don't want to show that people are in fear, and they just try to push down the gold market. So yeah, we will see whether we can get to the green zone over here, the buy zone. So the 1780 to 1760 mark. Then we have just the fun of the harmonic pattern trading. So Euro-Hungarian forint, nicely up. Then Microsoft. Got pushed up and then today down again. So we will see whether we reach the first target here at 250 and the second target at 245, or even further down to this point of control of 232. And then Marathon Oil again pushed up a bit today, and maybe in the coming days it will be rejected again. And then as last, Bitcoin dominance. A bit the same as yesterday, so slowly gaining territory again. All right, good. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.